So it is 8 a.m. and I am here at Fanix Garden Center. Super early. They weren't even open yet when I pulled up. So I'm here for a specific thing though. So before I go wandering off, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what's happening here at Fanix Garden Center. I absolutely love the view here. Every time I come here, huge trees covering all this up. I'm looking at these benches right here. $80. It's a regular park bench. It looks nice. All right, so here's what I really came for. These are molasses tubs that Fanix gets and sells them. So you get the half size for $5 and a full size for 10. These are perfect for different kind of plantings. That's a full size right there. Various minor little sizes, and this is a half size right here. But this is what I came for. I came to get 2 of these because I am going to put a tree in one of those because I don't want to put it in the ground just yet. But yeah, this is what I really came for. Here's another section of Fanix that I rarely show when I come. Got a bunch of crepe myrtles back here. You got shrubs, trees, lots of beautiful ones. I think we've shown this once before, but it's a lot of crepe myrtle shrubs back here. Plenty to choose from. Okay, so I came and inquired about some weeping trees. This is something we were looking for. And I just got told about this right here. This is called a Yaupon Weeping Holly. It's kind of hard to see because it's kind of scarce, and then the background of the trees doesn't help, but look at that. Might be something worth looking into. And now I'm looking at weeping mulberries. So not sure which one to go with. The squirrels are getting at all these mulberries from what I keep getting told. But so weeping mulberry or that Yaupon holly is what I'm looking at right now. I'm liking the holly, but I wouldn't mind some fruit either. And of course I can't go to a garden center without looking at roses. Still lots of beauties here. All right, so here's what we ended up with. 2 of the big molasses containers. The Weeping Yaupon Holly, which I'm gonna love. And oh, I almost forgot, this is really what I came for also, was some garden tone and plant tone. So, yeah. I see that's a great choice. Fits like a glove. All right, so that is my quick trip to Fanix Garden Center to grab really just came for plant tone and garden tone and those molasses tubs, but I ended up walking away with that holly, which I'm not upset about. Pretty excited that we got that. We were actually looking for a weeping tree for quite some time, and all it took was just some asking around and see what was a good option for here in Texas, something that was gonna do good and not, you know, suffer in the heat here. So there was a couple options. Obviously, weeping that can take full sun is the weeping mulberry, which I would have loved to have some mulberries. I just think that having a fruit tree in the spot that we wanted is probably not the route we wanted to go. There's a couple other things, you know, weeping willows, which I think we took a look at those and wasn't really too big of a fan of it. And of course, this is just me speculating. Angie has her own opinions. So we kind of talked about what kind of weeping tree we would get, and so the weeping mulberry was a good option. But you know, I just asked a little bit here at Fanix, and they're always great people. And he suggested, you know, it was actually the last thing he suggested, because he's like, oh, I forgot we have some Weeping Yaupon Hollies over there. And I went to go take a look at it, and lo and behold, I absolutely fell in love with it. Holly's always a tree or shrub that I can get with, and I love the structure. And I saw a couple of red berries here, so I need to do some research into that, whether it's self-fertilizing or not. But either way, love it. Holly has a great leaf structure, and the weeping is just awesome. So I fell in love with it. Angie fell in love with it too. I sent her some pictures and showed her some videos. So definitely something that we're going to enjoy and put in the garden in a certain spot that we've already kind of talked about. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little walkthrough here at Fanix Garden Center. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.